Permaculture provides a pathway to abundance that transcends the degenerative problems and systems of today, that allows us to step outside of their system and to be able to provide, connect, and form community at such a high level that we can restore, we can rebuild, and we can regenerate. I'm so excited for you to join us in the Advanced Permaculture Student Online. This year is going to be absolutely incredible. We have so many educators involved. We have so many people involved in this lifetime community. Once you sign up, you're part of that community. You can take it as many times as you like. You can join us in the live over and over again. People do. Folks go from learning to practicing to taking that action to making it real, becoming teachers, making it their career. They're now running a mushroom business. They're now running a landscaping and design business, running events for people to start learning this themselves. They've become teachers. All these options and more, so many more in the regenerative economy are showcased in this course. That's why there's over 70 different educators, because we need to have all those different voices to show the full range of what's possible for you and for everyone. I'm Matt Powers, author, educator, citizen scientist, seed saver, gardener, and family guy. And I teach people all over the world how to live more regeneratively. And it all starts with the Advanced Permaculture Student Online. Join us, join this community, join this course. It will change your life. That's what my students have told me. That's what people have been saying for years. This course changes lives. So join us, learn what's possible, and start on your path into the regenerative future. I'm Matt Powers. Grow abundantly, learn daily, and live regeneratively. And I'll see you inside the Advanced Permaculture Student Online. It starts soon. Click the link below and join us.